Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of slippers from Adidas. They came in this box, so let's open it. I've got it on Amazon site, and I used 15% off coupon code as I'm subscribed to Adidas site, and so they were cheaper than normal, and they came in this big box. They are just cheap slippers or slides, I would say, for summer to walk around house or maybe outside. That box is hard to open, but I use scissors. So, and then ta-da, it's open. They use big boxes, I don't know why, but twice as big as the actual product. I've got Adidas Adilette the Comfort slides, size 8, UK 8, US 8, 42 European size. As you can see, I will turn off my tea. So they came in box like this, and let's open them and see if they fit. So I think the model looks like this. They are all black, and they are actually men's size. Yeah, men kind, but I like this kind and they didn't have them in woman kind, so I decided to get men kind. So let's open this box. So here, a little big, I return. Here they are, they look like this. They come also with this thingy, which you can put them and then keep them on this. Oh, they're not that big, but they might be bigger. So they look like this. I don't know if I like black ones. I have to think it through, but they look like this. And I have old ones that looks similar, like this. See, the same model, and they are comfortable, but they are bigger actually, or not. Actually, my old ones are bigger, so that's good because they were too big for me. This one seems smaller. So when I compare them, either they are the same. Might be a little short. And these ones are a little too big. So yeah, this thingy looks like this. Here we have that band that is comfortable because it doesn't have any seams here, and on the other side it has some material stick to it, and it's easy, and this is very flexible and comfortable. That's why I prefer these ones over other kind that have stitches and the material is less flexible and less comfortable, and these ones are more comfortable. And this has that foam that's very comfortable, and it's like, see, it's like very much flexible and goes down and adjusts to you. So these kinds are very comfortable, those Adilettes. Adilette the Comfort. Because we have clouds. We have some synthetic material that is comfortable, and it says not for shower use. I try them on. Let's see. It's like this. So they fit even better than my old ones, because they're slightly shorter. And these ones are a little longer on me. So that's nice because I can go in them outside. And they will fit my biker shorts or some shorts better. So that's nice. You can wear them, dress them up even. Because they don't look sports shoes, but like slides. Like more elegant because they are all black. So yeah, that's my unboxing for today. I think I keep them as they fit me perfect. And I wanted, I see they are sold out. This was only last one size, and the ones with seams here, they are less comfortable. So glad I got these ones. And here they say Adidas. And sole looks like this. Yeah, so hope they come back or they produce more this kind that doesn't have that seams and they are more comfortable. Hope they produce more of them, of this model. Okay, that's it for today unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe, as I will do more unboxing in future and vlogs and some general videos. So see you in the next one. Bye.